beautiful out today.
Yeah.
You know, he looks like he hit those rocks and he kind of, you know how like you walk on rocks, get all, I bet he spun out. Or hydroplane. Something. Definitely a lot of rain. Now the sides are starting to fill up with water. Down, you're gonna see we're gonna see that gully, see how much water is flowing through there. Now they're cleaning up the road right there. That's where we're going into. Over there.
I don't know where my emergency flash.
On the steering wheel. Right here. Wow. Third car.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Third car.
That one's a bad one there.
Rocks. Look.
Oh my God. We stopped?
Yeah. Wow, I got waterfalls. Got one?
Yeah, I got one here.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, see? Oh, it's all flooded in here. Flooded.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this. Watch out. Yes. Oh, wow. Whoa. Wow. Look at that. Oh, shit. Good thing we were right there at the wrong time. Wow, this is crazy.
Yeah, we could fucking die in a second.
Gotta be careful. Wow, look at the rock slides everywhere. This is crazy.
Get over here.
Yeah. I'll tell you if I see one coming. Either gas it or brake.
Look at this.
Wow.
Look at this. There's our blood.
Damn, I should have brought my cell phone. I could have got really good photos. Wow, see, bridges like that were demolished. Gotta be careful on that bridge going back if it holds up.
Oh, this is closed.
Yeah. See, this is where wow, look at that. This is where the news crews people should be getting out here at the night.
Yeah. My phone is going off saying you shouldn't be doing this.
was gonna do.
No. This is a bad idea. Can we make it through there?
Yeah,
We're turning around.
we're fast. This is epic. Do it. Need 4-wheel drive on it. Just don't hit that rock that's sticking out.
Yeah.
There. Go fast. Oh, there goes the queen.
I don't think so.
I know, you don't think it's closed on that side, or you don't know?
I don't
I don't know.
Might be getting worse.
We'll try it before it gets too worse.
All right.
Good luck. Be careful.
Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Zakatio's nothing but a floodplain.
That's just going to be a mess all the way down that way.
Look at that whole road's gone. I wonder if that was the same lady that tried to.
I think it is.
Yeah, I'll get out right here for a second. Look at that. I'll get out for this one. Yeah, other people are going back on the flooded.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they got the windmills going. How dark it is over there.
Yeah, that's pretty gnarly. That's where all that orange